How would you like to make money by helping other people get money that they are owed and that they desperately, desperately want? If that sounds insane and wonderful at the same time, stay with me. I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about in my review of Unclaimed Funds. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm one of the very few people who can pull off successfully. Well, man, my buddy Raymond over here.
Concierge of crime? Man in the hat?
If you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you could skip ahead. My jokes, they're as stale as the coffee I had this morning. It's still sitting in my nice cup. I bought this from a little Amish place. And the cup is kind of nice. It's all obviously homemade, but the coffee is stale. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. So make sure that you don't buy a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Art. You know, I've been asking you over and over for years now to get a new line. Dude, get a new line. The guy drives me crazy all the time. Yakety, yakety, yakety. Crap. Dude, get a new line already. It's enough. Seriously. If you are new. The way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my head to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Billionaire entrepreneur.
Thank you, Barry. That is very, very kind of you, but no, not quite a billionaire yet. Hoping to get there soon. Not quite yet. And by the way,
Where is Liz Lemon?
exactly. Good God, where is Liz Lemon? Anyway, seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so looking right now at the sales page for Unclaimed Funds. This is from my friend James. This is a brand new method for making money online that I don't think anybody's talking about. It's really, really cool, actually. So let me explain, first of all, what this is, why it's so exciting, and what my custom bonus is, because I think you're going to love my custom bonus. So basically, Unclaimed Funds basically deals with a $49 billion industry. What happens like this, and I actually know that this works because I had it happen to me many, many years ago. So I'm going to give you a personal example. Many, many years ago, I've been online for a very long time, and I had a bank account with a bank, I think it was called CompuBank. I only had like a couple $100 in the bank at the time. They shut down unexpectedly. My couple $100 just disappeared into thin air. I didn't know what happened to my money, and I thought it was gone. Turned out a couple years later, I found out that the state of New York was actually holding my money in escrow. And if I didn't go ahead and claim it from them, then they would just take it for their general fund and keep it. So I actually went and had to fill out a bunch of forms. It was kind of complicated to do. And of course, you had to know that it even exists. But I filled out my forms. I got my money back. Okay. And basically, the idea is over here, what you're going to do is you're going to help people to do this, to find out that they're owed money, and you're going to help them to actually recover the money that they're owed in exchange for a small fee. It's really, really simple. And there are government websites that you can actually check to find out who is actually owed money. And all you're going to do is track them down and tell them, hey, you're owed money. Here's why, here's how you're going to collect your money. It's really not that difficult to do. You just need to know what to do, what to say to your customers in order to do this. Okay, now, I'm going to show you the members in just a second, but it occurred to me when I was going through this course, which is brilliant stuff because very few people know about this. And money disappears all the time, from inheritances. Somebody's great uncle died and they don't have any money. They didn't even know about it, and the great uncle left, $10,000 to whoever or whatever it is. Money just is left there. okay? Or there's a government rebate check that somebody's entitled to, or like in my case, a bank closed down and the money just kind of disappeared. I didn't know what happened to it, right? There's all kind of possibilities here. So you're going to be able to go ahead and help these people to get their money back. And they're going to be thanking you because they're going to be like, I didn't even know I had money coming to me. It's literally free money for them, free money for you. So everybody's going to win, okay? And it's just as simple as following the instructions. Now, but it occurred to me, they're going to give you a script for what to say when you contact people, either by email or by phone, however you want to contact people. But what if you have a website that is going to look nice and professional so that when people look you up, they're not going to be wondering, is this guy a scammer? Because that's going to be the first thing that a lot of people are going to think to themselves, this doesn't sound quite right. Okay, so you're going to be able to have a professional website that's completely done for you. This is going to be my custom bonus to you. Let me show you the website real quick here. You can see it's called Unclaimed Fund. You're going to put your name and your photo. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, including removing the background. So you have a picture that looks like this one. Okay, everything else is done for you. You can see the text is all written for you. All right, you have done for you images. Everything is included. All right, literally, there's even fake testimonials you can edit if you want to put in real testimonials. And there's a little button here to request help. You're going to have a done for you DMCA policy, privacy policy. Everything is done for you. And it'll take you about 5 minutes to edit this with my custom video explaining exactly what to do. Okay, this is the sort of thing that I usually charge several $100s for a website like this. You're going to get it completely for free just because it's all done for you. And all you're going to do is edit a few things. It'll take you about 5 or 10 minutes to edit, and then you're going to be up and running and off to the races. So let's check out the members array real quick over here. You can see it's just a basic PDF file, and you're going to be able to follow along. There's videos that explain things. There's also text that will explain exactly how this thing works. Okay, he's got this whole story explaining what happened and why and how you can start making some money off of this business. And he's going to give you step-by-step exactly what you need to know. There are embedded videos throughout the entire thing telling you exactly how to do this, what to do, what to say, the whole 9 yards. Everything is done for you. It's literally plug and play to be able to make this thing work. Okay, so let's see if I am going to formally give a tip on my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously, okay, you rock. This is so awesome, and it's so different than anything else I've seen online. Huge tip in my hat. The guy behind me wasn't painting. He'd be giving me a tip of his hat too, because this is so easy to make money from. Grab this. This one is worth it. You're going to love it.